So what you can also do is you can give voice inputs to Microsoft Copilot. So over here, I'm going to go around and utilize the microphone right here, and you can allow it out right here. So once you go around, you can see that as I speak, you can see that it goes around and types in whatever I speak right here. Let me just stop listening right here. So what I can do right here once you enable out the microphone is, let's say for example, write a story about in 2 paragraphs and explain about a boy who lives in Yangon and is trying to be a photographer. So just like this, you can see that this is what you have right here, and it actually goes around and sends out the
Certainly. Let me weave a tale for you. In the bustling streets of Yangon, where the scent of street food mingles with the distant echoes of temple bells, there lived a young boy named Ong.
So that is what you have. It even reads it back to you, as you can see right here, and then gives out your output in voice as well when you give the voice input. And that is how you can give voice inputs in Microsoft Copilot. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.